guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to make crunchy french fries with Japanese style seasoning. I hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's get started. Boom, boom. I'm going to peel potatoes. Now I'm going to make slices. Now you wanna make them super thin, about 0.8 centimeters, 0.7 meters, somewhere around there. Like this. Next, I'm gonna stack a couple up and slice them lengthwise. Ta-da! This is my breakfast today. Super unhealthy for breakfast. Ta-da! Now I'll put them in a bowl. Then let them soak for about 10 minutes. I'm too hungry and I can't wait to eat french fries, so I decided to make rice bowl. This is super good. It says seasoned copper perilla flavor, shiso kombu. If you find this, you should buy it. It's really good for rice bowl. Do you wanna build a rice bowl? Yes, I do. Jan! いただきます。うまっ。3 minutes cooking. Now let's go back to potatoes. Potatoes have been soaking for 10 minutes, so I'm gonna take them out. Now dry them off with kitchen paper. Actually, I don't like this process. It's kind of pain. So I normally let them sit on the table and then dry them naturally. So either way, it's fine. But the point is drying them completely so that they are gonna be really crunchy. Probably I need to change the bottom paper. Oh, so much pain. Okay, so I'm going to prepare oil. Pour oil into the pot. Then start heating this up on high heat. Now, of course, the oil is not hot, but I'm gonna start frying potatoes. Okay. After they start making frying sound, change the heat to medium heat. Then fry them for another 20 to 30 minutes. The point here is, don't touch potatoes at all. This is a really important thing, so that potato will be really straight and then crunchy. Now it's been 10 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes. They are getting nicely brown. Keep frying them a little bit more. Done! About 25 minutes. So good! So I'm gonna take them off. Done! Baking sheet. Then place this on the plate. Now I'm gonna take them out. Awesome! Now sprinkle some salt. And seaweed powder. Looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to eat French fries with a selection of drink. Our fridge is like a manual vending machine. Maybe I'm gonna do ginger beer. Wow, Pepsi Max. Ginger beer is my favorite drink. Itadakimasu. Did you hear that crunch? Oh, this is so great. Flavor of seaweed and saltiness. Can't stop. Endless French fries. Seaweed salt is really great. But after you eat seaweed, you have to be really careful because seaweed stick in your teeth so often. So like when you smile, seaweed is everywhere. And this reminds me silly song about seaweed. And it says, "You look so beautiful, smiling in the wind. But when you smile, I can see seaweed on your front teeth." You know, it's so silly. It's crazy. Thank you for watching. How was my seaweed salt French fries? It was so unhealthy breakfast. But it was so good. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Right, thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.